Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles presents Trucking into the Future, Season 2, in partnership with News 18 Network.
India's projected rise as the world's third largest economy by 2027 drives the need for efficient logistics to support increased trade and commerce. So, it's no surprise that currently the Indian logistics sector is undergoing a significant transformation supported by the rapidly growing Indian economy and government focus on logistics efficiency, sustainability and safety. Road transport, that is trucks, carries the bulk of Indian goods, 70% plus of today's domestic freight demand. Heavy and medium-duty trucks are responsible for most of that road transportation. As road freight travel continues to grow, the number of trucks is expected to more than quadruple from 4 million in 2022 to roughly 17 million trucks by 2050. Embracing innovation is not just a choice, but a necessity for the fast-evolving commercial vehicle industry in India. Being the leader in this segment, Tata Motors continues to deliver superior value propositions to customers by introducing smarter, future-ready products and services. The feature-rich vehicles are designed to fulfill the evolving needs of India's economy and its growing demand for efficient transportation. Incorporating the latest advances in technology, refined powertrains, and upgrades in comfort and convenience, Tata Motors trucks are ideal to fulfill the customer need of high vehicle utilization for more revenue with lower costs, resulting in higher profits.
Engineered for a growing Bharat, these are our Desh ke trucks.
At a time when the Indian government is looking to bring down logistics costs to 9% of GDP in the next 5 years from the current 13 to 14%, fuel efficiency has become paramount for fleet owners and drivers alike. India's vast geographical spread means trucks often travel long distances. High fuel efficiency is crucial in reducing costs on long-haul routes where fuel consumption is a major concern. In a competitive market with thin profit margins, reducing fuel costs directly enhances profitability. Truck owners and operators strive to maximize efficiency to stay competitive.
Optimizing total cost of operations for our fleet operators, that has been our key priority. Our extensive product lineup in trucks featuring like high power to weight ratio trucks designed to enhance uptime and driver comfort through world-class Prima cabin. These trucks are loaded with multiple features like whether you call as multi-mode fuel switch, gear shift advisor, hill start assist, low CRR tires, etc. And these offer enhanced fuel efficiency and thus reducing operating costs.
Building on the legacy of Tata Motors Turbotron, which is known for its high engine life and better fuel efficiency, comes another offering, the all-new Turbotron 2.0. Introduced in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle space, this indigenously developed engine powers Tata Trucks in the 9 to 55 ton range. The Turbotron 2.0 echoes the essence of the Turbotron series and goes a step further with its core messaging, Bachat Bhi, Bharosa Bhi, which testifies to its high fuel efficiency and reliability. The engine is equipped with features that offer noteworthy mileage. It is a 5-litre turbocharged diesel engine, which has been engineered to deliver a flatter torque curve in the range of 700 to 850 Nm to offer an enhanced driving experience. Longer oil drain and service intervals are some of its characteristics to get more out of the vehicle and lead to higher revenues.
What is your most important body part? It's your heart. And our engines are the heart and the muscle of our trucks. And that's why we at Tata Motors take the utmost care in designing and developing our engines and powertrain. And that in terms of quality, TCO, total cost of ownership for our customers, and reliability. Our Turbo Tron 2.0 is our in-house product that showcases all of that.
Tata Motors is the pioneer in introducing safer and smarter vehicles in India. Since its launch in 2010, the top-of-the-line Tata Prima range has continually set benchmarks for comfort, styling, safety, ergonomics and ease of operations. Introduced in the new Prima is India's first ever Advanced Driving Assisted System ADAS, complete with features of collision mitigation system, lane departure warning, developed with extensive validation, especially for Indian operating conditions. The vehicle also offers additional safety features like driver monitoring system, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system.
Tata Motors have developed technologies to integrate various safety systems in our trucks. Our cabins are regarded as one of the safest in trucking industry, by drivers as well as fleet owners. We have already launched Prima VX range of trucks equipped with, advanced driver assisted system, ADAS features including collision mitigation system, lane departure warning, designed to enhance overall vehicle safety. Additionally, driver monitoring system DMS is there to take care of fatigue-related concerns. Other features deployed in trucks are electronic stability control for hazardous applications like petroleum movement, advanced emergency braking, electronic brake force distribution, and the other standard features like DRL, day running light, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, projector headlamps. All these are provided, enhancing, overall safety on the road.
Besides maximizing safety, ADAS systems can also help bring down vehicle downtime as well as accident expenses, thereby saving money for transporter. The new Prima range also comes with more ergonomically redesigned cabin, offering better driving comfort and with best-in-class conveniences and features for enhanced driver and vehicle safety. These purposeful enhancements were made in collaboration with stakeholders across the entire logistics value chain with the objective of enabling higher productivity, especially during long hauls. An in-depth study was conducted to curate insights from transporters, drivers, as well as end customers, following which the design and engineering teams at Tata Motors worked holistically to add a range of cutting-edge technologies to create another new benchmark. Tata's Signa range of medium and heavy commercial vehicles is engineered and built to offer medium and heavy commercial vehicle buyers a newly designed cabin with interior and exterior feature enhancements like trip mileage indicator, tilt and telescopic steering column, and gear shift advisor, riding on proven Tata Motors aggregates for an excellent trucking experience. With its smartly designed cabin space, improved ergonomics and low noise, vibration and harshness or NVH levels, the Signa range of cabins are built to offer a superior in-cab experience with AC and ventilation options, enabling drivers to operate fatigue-free over long hauls, which in turn offers significant improvement in productivity. This exceptional performance and safety is complemented by Tata Motors' suite of innovative value-added services. The Tata Truck lineup boasts advanced connectivity features highlighted by Fleet Edge, a connected vehicle platform powered by data analytics. Designed specially for efficient fleet management, Fleet Edge uses smart technologies to increase vehicle uptime and improve road safety. The platform shares actionable insights in real time on vehicle status, health, location and driver behavior of every vehicle connected to it. This enables owners and fleet managers to make better decisions for enhancing operational efficiency, lowering logistics costs, and improving profits.
Commercial vehicle industry contributes significantly to our economic growth and national competitiveness. The sector has demonstrated high level of agility and promising growth despite multiple headwinds in the last few years. Committed to deliver cutting-edge mobility solutions, Tata Motors has been leading the change through a decade of technology transition. Enhanced performance, low cost of ownership, high uptime, and comfort and conveniences are the new normal for our valued customers. We have been raising the stakes to deliver next frontiers of technologies and products driven by the megatrends of autonomous, connected, electric, shared and safe mobility. Tata Motors has over 8 lakh connected commercial vehicles onboarded through its connected vehicle platform Fleet Edge. There is an upshift from basic vehicle tracking services to advanced features such as usage-based insurance, lifecycle management of parts and cloud-based updates. The software-led approach is opening doors to transformational efficiencies for product development, for product manufacturing and for the vehicle operations. This approach enhances operational efficiencies in fleet management, upkeep and uptime of vehicles and optimal selection of the routes. Tata Motors has commenced its journey towards software-defined vehicles, keeping check on associated challenges like quality of software, safety protocols and cyber security.
Tata Motors has also developed comprehensive fleet management tool like Fleet Edge with more than now 800,000 vehicles on board to optimize overall fleet utilization and further increase profitability for our transporters. Our aim is how can we reduce cost per ton per kilometer on a year so that we always remain the first choice of our fleet owners and end consumers.
Tata Motors has also made a significant stride in sustainable transportation with the commercial launch of its LNG-powered Tata Prima range of trucks and tippers. These vehicles represent a significant breakthrough in the industry's shift towards cleaner energy sources, reaffirming Tata Motors' goal to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2045.
With innovation and customer centricity at the core, we believe that the path to sustainability and net zero is multi-step, multi-year and multi-fuel in nature. Today, our customers have a basket of options for fuel. Being industry leader in electrification, other pathways like hydrogen engines are also being explored.
We've already launched our LNG powered trucks and started selling also to multiple logistic vendors. The pipeline for LNG, if you ask me, is picking up well. And I see petroleum companies also focused on expanding the network of filling stations. That will play a very critical role, and over the next couple of years LNG is going to be playing a very key role. And if we see countries, developed countries, it's been always ICE followed by LNG, and LNG takes a big space. I see that also panning out in this country. And next we see in the sustainability space followed by LNG, alternate fuels like electric vehicles, hydrogen, they would also have a big role to play. And these alternate fuels will help achieve sustainability goals significantly by reducing the greenhouse gases coming out of commercial vehicles due to conventional fossil fuel usage. Tata Motors, being a CV leader, is also geared up and all set to lead nation in this journey, and we are extremely confident towards the migration and capitalizing the opportunity. We've already started selling, as I said, LNG in heavy duty 55 tonnage segment. Soon in LNG we are also going to reach out in mining areas with 35 ton mining tippers on a Prima platform.
In the last few years, Tata Motors has accelerated its efforts in implementing various digital transformation initiatives.
At Tata Motors, we have state-of-art manufacturing facilities across plants, producing 700 plus variants to deliver customer-centric products. Our manufacturing strategy revolves around the integration of cutting-edge technologies like IoT, AI, and data analytics into our production processes. At the heart of our evolution into a smarter and more efficient factory lies digitalization and Industry 4 to drive manufacturing quality and deliver reliable and durable commercial vehicles. The integrated sales and operations planning for on-time demand fulfillment, analytics for quality control, track and traceability for right part fitment, automation and robotics for precision manufacturing, digital twins, IoT for real-time monitoring have enabled us to transition towards a digital manufacturing ecosystem and ensure that we provide defect-free products to our customers with best-in-class reliability, ensuring customer peace of mind. Our aspirations over the next few years is to transition towards software-defined manufacturing with sustainability at the core, enabling real-time and remote monitoring, thus transitioning to smart factories for the future.
Developed and innovatively engineered to cater to the evolving needs of cargo and construction transportation, Tata Motors' state-of-the-art trucks continue to redefine transportation by delivering progress and powering the engine of the nation's economy.
Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles presents Trucking into the Future, Season 2, in partnership with News 18 Network.